muchachas, welcome back to another video in my YouTube channel. Hey. So today I'm gonna do a hair review of this synthetic wig that have like some things of natural. I don't understand. Like, let me show you. So look at this 360 lace wig. It's from Main Concept Hair. Look. It says that it's 360. Says that it's natural too, but it's not natural. Okay, it's like a mix. They say that human hair style mix. So let's see. Oh my god. The color is this one. Look, this is the color, this style, everything. Yeah, I love this color. Like, please look at this color. It looks so beautiful. I really love it. Look, is this one? I think it's like pre-plug here, but the lace is not bigger here, you know. It has but I mean, it looks pretty. It's the first time I got this type of wig, you know, but let's try. Why not? Let's try. The color is so beautiful. Like, it looks beautiful, but look, I think that it's gonna be like so, how to say that, little for me. I don't know. Just, oh my god, look at this color on me. It looks so pretty. I like it. Like, why not? Oh, it tangles a little bit. I don't know what to do. I mean, I think I'm gonna use it like this. I don't know. Yeah, why not? It looks pretty, you know. It's so pretty. Okay. First, I apply 3 layers of the lace wig adhesive of Ebbing, New York. To dry each layer, I use the hair dryer until the glue is transparent. It's so important that you don't paste the lace when the glue is still white. Please. I use the comb to make sure that the lace is well glued. You must use the elastic band as tight as possible so the adhesive adheres to the lace. It's so important. I use the hair dryer for 15 minutes with the elastic band so the lace sticks well to the skin. Look at these. Man. I'm gonna cut the lace, but I love this color on me. Oh my God. Muchachas, I didn't show you, but there were several parts that were missing glue, so I did the same thing I did previously in certain parts so that it looked aesthetically perfect. And yeah, I used the elastic band and the hair dryer again. Muchachas, for a natural look, you need to melt the lace. So I use the melting spray of Even New York that helps to get a natural look and could hold some parts that probably the wig doesn't, the glue doesn't paste the lace well, Muchachas, I really don't feel good with this wig because it tingles so much like a doll hair. But I try to make these waves in my hair to see if it looks more natural. I don't know. To plug my baby hairs, I use these teasers. So it don't looks like so fake. I really don't like how I made my baby hairs in this opportunity, but muchacha, believe me when I say that I really try. I try, but I don't like it. I use the hot comb so I could make a better style on it. I use the wax too but I don't record that. Man, I need to try to be a YouTuber. But yeah, I use the hot comb and the wax hair, wax hair. Ta-da! So this is the result of this week. I really don't like it. I feel like it's a dull hair, but it's okay. I really love the color because it's amazing. I mean, I need to try this color in a natural hair or another synthetic wig, better. But yeah, this is it. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment. I always answer you everything. See you in the next video.